Hey, Facebook, YouTube, Ryan here at AO Cleaning. At it again. We are at a client's house in Waterloo, Illinois, and we are going to take care of some tile and grout for them. I was here a couple weeks ago. We did their carpets, and I was looking at the tile, and they said that they were going to probably replace it. And I said, you know, we clean tile, we can restore it, and then we could seal it. And she thought about it. She said, you know what, Ryan, that's probably the best idea. Saved me a lot of money. And so we got her booked, and today's the day. So they actually left on vacation. We came here, and the house is vacant. You know, nobody's here. They're on vacation. So they left the door open for me, and we're at it. So basically, I told her we can restore this grout. As you can see, house is soiled right there. We're going to basically emulsify that, suspend it basically, and then with our machine, and then we'll be able to seal it after we're done to lock out all that dirt. Because tile, guys, is porous, so it's gonna, absorb all that stuff, and mopping it alone will not take care of that. And if you look on the edges of the walls, typically on the edge of the walls, it's cleaner because it's not walked on. But we're gonna again take care of the soil there for them and restore it. So she's totally excited about that. We're gonna take care of the bathroom, the foyer area, and then the hallway here, kitchen area, and this little hallway. And also got some missing grout here. I told them that we can repair a little bit of that for them. And she said that she's perfectly happy with that. She said that they've done it before, but it just didn't stay because the house is, the way it sits, the foundation, it just always cracks. But I told her not to do that. I threw that in there for a complimentary. But again, guys, that's what we're doing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the after work. It's going to look great. This is the emulsifier. Coming out amazing. I did a little demo right there. See that demo? We're going to continue to chop out that. Coming up like butter. Look at that. This is about 20-year-old grout, I think they said. 25-year-old grout. And they thought they had to replace it. And I said, no, ma'am. We can restore it and seal it, and you'll be happy. She booked on the spot. Just in time for Christmas, everybody. Look at that. And we actually neutralized it with an acid rinse so it doesn't attract any sticky residue. Get it back down to a neutral state. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I haven't done that yet. Got the emulsifier down. And that is the clean. She's gonna love it. Got about 900 pounds of pressure, 230 degrees. Look at that. All right, guys, stay tuned.